The National Park Service and the University of New Mexico's Maxwell Museum of Anthropology present Ancient Technology, Knowledge and Collaboration. As the Earth's climate warms, ice patches that have been frozen for centuries are melting. Organic artifacts made from wood, antler, leather, and even the feathers on arrow shafts have been found at these sites. Once thawed, organic artifacts decompose rapidly and may be lost forever. Collection and study of these materials provide a unique window into the technology and lifeways of ancient people.
One of the more exciting pieces of material culture that's been identified in these ice patches to this point is a 9,200-year-old dart foreshaft. It's made of birch. It's a sapling that's been intentionally sculpted. It has a tapered base that would have fit a socket, and then at the other end of it, it has a haft cut into it that would have had a projectile point attached to it. It's larger than pretty much any other foreshaft that's been identified in the North American archaeological record. It provides you with an opportunity to see the mechanics of how it all goes together, how a projectile point is actually hafted to the end of a foreshaft, how that foreshaft is hafted to the dart shaft, what one of those pieces might have looked like when it was put together as a complete object. That is missing in the absence of these organic components, and sometimes the types of things that are revealed from the ice patches are striking and remarkable.
Because ice patch artifacts are well preserved, very small samples can be taken by microsampling. Removing these small samples does very little damage to the artifacts. The samples can be used to date the objects using a highly sophisticated method of radiocarbon dating called accelerator mass spectrometry. These artifacts reveal the sophisticated craftsmanship of people living in interior Alaska long ago. Many native people have taken an active role in glacial archaeology and participated in the search for artifacts. In Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve, members of the Ahtna Heritage Foundation have collaborated in the research. They have shared with scientists their traditional knowledge about the environment and subsistence technology.
Here it is, right here. I used to use a birch bark to store things and caches.
This stitched birch bark basket is almost 700 years old. It was found by Ruth Ann Shin in 2003 in Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve. This discovery suggests that people may have gathered berries and similar resources in areas around ice patches. Similar baskets are still made by Athabascan people living in Alaska today. Archaeological discoveries at many ice patches provide a direct cultural connection between the people who live in the region today and those who hunted and camped at ice patches in the past.